Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, I can tell you something. I found something in the Bitcoin chart which is telling me Bitcoin bears, run for your life. I will be talking about my price targets, what I am actually seeing right now in the Bitcoin charts, what I am doing with my current trades and also with my future trades on Bitcoin. I am actually here in a very weird location. I want to show it to you. I wanted to bring this content to you as fast as possible. And this was literally the only place with Wi-Fi, believe it or not, and when no one is talking in between. I have to get this video as soon as possible. I want to deep dive here into the charts and show you what I am planning for Bitcoin right now and why bears should take care right now what they are doing. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about the price targets as well. I have also another chart here, so please stick with me until the very end. This chart is extremely revealing as to what is likely to happen to Bitcoin in the next few weeks as well. I will be starting with the immediate short term, and also guys, I have something for your heart. If you are having a heart, if you want something heartwarming, I have a story to share with you. I met a follower today, and this story, I can tell you, man, it will blow your mind. Wait until the very end of that video. That would certainly be very important for me. Quickly go into this chart here, and what you can see here right now on the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin is something I was talking about before. So first of all, you can see here basically Bitcoin was floating around support and resistance in this falling wedge. We were breaking out, confirming the breakout. So you are probably if you are part of the MMCrypto family, in a profitable trade right now. I told you to take here some chips from the table already, and as you can see, Bitcoin is in this continuation move right now. Now is the moment of truth, guys. Right now is the moment of truth, because what we can see here is converging this falling wedge breakout with, and now look at this, we talked about that with the Vinci J15 a little bit earlier, an inverse head and shoulders pattern which is breaking out and right now trying to confirm the breakout. So what we need right now, let me zoom in a little bit, after this halfway confirmation already on the hour, you can maybe see it better. Bitcoin is going down and we need this bounce here. We need to break above the previous rejection point to say this is a legitimate breakout, and to say we are going to continue here this bullish pattern breakout on the falling wedge towards the upside to $56,800, and also that we are going to confirm the breakout out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, because look at this, the breakout target of this inverse head and shoulders pattern is, what a surprise, exactly in alignment with the breakout target of the falling wedge, which is the top of this pattern. However, guys, what we can see here right now unfolding for Bitcoin, and this is very important to mention, is this green resistance area I was mentioning before. And go back, fact check it yourself. I told you we will find resistance here and float around before we are eventually breaking out. Well, as you can see, we had support over here, we had resistance over here, and right now we have significant resistance coming in here once again. If Bitcoin is not able to close a 4-hourly candle above this resistance zone, I can tell you we are probably going back down here into the crypto abyss and retesting the previous low at $43,000. What we need right now is a 4-hourly candle close above our resistance points to say with a high degree of certainty we are going higher and retesting the previous all-time high. As you remember, my target for March here in this bullish case scenario, and I was drawing a Fibonacci extension level to the 61.8, is all the way up here at the $75,000 area. This might take another 1 week, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, but I think it is a very legit price target here within March. Let me know what you think about that. Of course, guys, I will be, and look at this view, man, look at this view. Just downstairs there's music, there's no Wi-Fi, and funny enough that in this place here I have Wi-Fi, right? So let me know if you are in a profitable trade right now. Let me know that in the comment section down below. I am of course in a trade as well. I want to talk here about my current trades right now before I am talking about my future trades as well. You can see here this trade on the top left corner, $1.71 million in a profit. This is one out of my 6 trades I am actually having open right now. I did not take new profits here. I will take new profits on the way up at the $58,000 level at my price target and also higher. Of course, I have also more trades open here over on Bybit, how's it called? Yeah, Bybit, 9.7 Bitcoin. That is like approximately, I don't know, $450,000. I have 4 more trades open and they are all still open, guys. I do put my money where my mouth is, and I know you do put your money where your mouth is as well. We are trading up on a specific set of strategies. We are only entering a trade after confirmation, and we are going to do that as well. If you want to go into a continuation trade, trade. Only trade when we are closing a 4-hourly candle close above the resistance zone, and you already know the deal, you know the price target as well. I might as well scale a little bit higher if we are going out and if we are breaking back down again below the neckline, below, back nearby this falling wedge. This will tell me this dump is not over yet, and then I will take a little bit more profits. This is right now still on the horizon. I'm not saying that this is happening, but we need, as sophisticated traders, a plan A and a plan B. When plan A happens, we do A. When B happens, we do B. And that way we can profit from every single scenario. I wanted to talk about something else. So let me quickly go over here into this year, what I wanted to talk about. This is actually how I met the follower. I will talk about that a little bit later on, so bear with me until the end. This is a heartwarming story of this lady. Please guys, I can tell you, you do not want to be missing out on this specific content part. But of course, where is this chart? This is the chart, guys. This is from Glassnode, and what you can see here, this is something you have to keep in mind. This is my last warning for all Bitcoin bears out there. This is the number of entities with a balance of more than 1,000 Bitcoin. That means everyone holding 1,000 Bitcoin, this is 50 million US dollars. This is, of course, the whales. And they are being tracked on the Bitcoin blockchain. It's entities, so a clustering of wallet addresses. What you can see here on the downside, 2014, 15, 16, well, within these bear markets, these whales are accumulating more and more Bitcoin. As you can see here, the orange line is going higher and higher. And within the bull market, the whales are starting to disaccumulate. They are starting to dump on the retail investors. Well, what was happening here in 2018, 2019, 2020, these whales were accumulating more and more. And with Michael Saylor, look at this spike. We have a new all-time high. Now we have 2,100. I mean, it went a little bit lower, but we are still at 2,100, close to an all-time high of whales actually holding Bitcoin. And what this actually means, let me quickly go back here to the camera. So what this means, guys, I want to put that a little bit into perspective. 2,100 addresses holding at least each 1,000 Bitcoin. This means 2.1 million at only 1,000 Bitcoin, but there are addresses with entities with 10,000 Bitcoin, entities with 20,000 Bitcoin. Michael Saylor holding 90,000 Bitcoin. This means that approximately, that's an approximation, 6 to 7 million Bitcoin. 6 to 7 million Bitcoin are being held by whales. What do they know? What you don't know? Do you want to be selling your Bitcoin? If you are selling your Bitcoin right now, you are selling it to one of these whales. This is not something I'm going to be doing, guys. I am looking at the charts, I'm looking at the data. And when I see the whales slightly scaling out of the market throughout a few months, well, then we know the bull market is coming to an end. Right now, we still have 6 to 7 million Bitcoin. This is 1/3 of the circulating supply being held by whales. It's not that they don't know, they know something you don't know. They just have a long time horizon, and I wanted to urge you to apply the same long-term time horizon, because whenever you are having a time horizon of at least 5 years, you are nearly destined to be profitable in Bitcoin. This is one of the very important purposes of that video, but I wanted to show you guys, this was heartwarming. I just met another follower who created 120 jobs with the MMCrypto Bitcoin profits. Listen to this lady here who was sharing this amazing story. Please listen to this, guys. I'm here at the crypto meetup, just as I said before. Beautiful people, and I met other beautiful people. May you share your story? It's a follower of our community.
Hi, everybody. So I just want to say I'm Teresa de Grosbois. I'm the founder and chair of the Evolutionary Business Council, and along with some colleagues, we founded an intentional community in Costa Rica. And this guy here has been helping us raise the money to build our retreat center. We've paved roads in the community. But so far, we've provided over 120 jobs for the locals.
I'm breaking out in tears. It's so nice.
Much of that. So here's my request of all of you, because I know there's so many of you.
Look at this, smash up the like button, guys. That's what she's saying.
Stick down in the comment section. Like, don't just like this. Throw him some comments.
Right, just go over to our Twitter profile at MMCrypto to see the whole story being shared there. If you go down, I got so much, wow, such an inspiring story, so much love. You look at this guy. Chris, you've been a critical part of the change of my whole family's life. I'm about to buy my first own home and building the first Bitcoin trust in Chile. My brother is about to quit his corporate job. My mom is protecting his life savings on the hardest asset around. Thank you. I mean, guys, come on. Like, if someone is saying something like this to you and you're not breaking out in tears, I don't know what's wrong with you. Honestly, thank you so much for your support. I'm every day telling you, you are the reason why I'm waking up with a smile in my face. You are the reason why I am so happy and why I am providing so much energy in these videos. Now you see why I am getting these messages day and night. Every single hour I'm getting more of these messages. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you so much for giving back. I will try to give you, I will give you as much as possible within that bull market. I will provide as much value as possible because I want to take the whole crypto family, the whole Crypto family into that bull market. I want to make sure that you are profiting from that as much as possible. Make sure you are subscribed to the Crypto channel, press the bell, press on all to join the Crypto family. The strongest, the most lovely, the most supportive and most profitable community in the world. By the way, if you want to be trading Bitcoin as well, buying and holding is the game. But if you want to gamble, trade, speculate with a small part of your portfolio, you can do that, but please do it with a small part. And if you want to do that, it is in the pinned comment down below. You get a $1,200 bonus for free. No, $700 bonus for free in the pinned comment down below. If you click these links after putting in your email address and your password, you get this bonus for free. But yeah, as I already said before, if you don't know what you are doing, this is gambling. If you know what you are doing, well, that's fine. I know what I'm doing and I'm still only trading with a few percent of my portfolio. Keep that in mind. Use the links below. If you want to support us, you get a bonus, we get a bonus. Thank you so much for that. Thanks for liking. Thanks for watching until the very end. With that being said, guys, we will see each other very soon at the next one of Crypto. As always, guys, as always, look at this Burning Man. It's beautiful. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.